Swiffer 360 Duster attracts so much dust, you'll never go back to your old duster.
Hey, Duster. Want to check dust like Swiffer 360 Duster? Then try the Magnet Hat.
Now what happens? I don't know if I got it or not.
Yeah, it's on. That's a sight. Do your high one again. Can we do it again? Come on! Come on!
No.
Do it!
No,
Do
I
it.
see what happened to this little boy.
Do it!
No, go get Poppy.
Okay. Okay, Poppy. Come on.
If I watch my movie show.
You're gonna do something. You're gonna miss something funny.